What is TikTok profile lock and how to remove lock in the locked account? Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll guide in how you can unlock your locked account on TikTok. Now as you know, TikTok is one of the best apps to watch and create viral videos until you get a message saying your TikTok account has been locked. Although not uncommon, bugs or issues with smartphone apps are never fun to deal with. Whether it be Facebook, Insta, Snapchat or any other application, random software glitches turn otherwise great apps into frustrating ones. For all the things TikTok does well, it also has its fair share of problems. Many users have been plagued with TikTok's age-restricted error, blocking them from watching videos they should be able to see. There is also the infamous invalid parameters error message, a bug that breaks users following page and more. Another potential problem is having your TikTok account locked. While TikTok doesn't say why your account is locked in its error message, there are a few reasons behind it. If you broke any of TikTok's guidelines or rules and got caught doing so, that's a guaranteed way to have your account locked. This can include share bots to artificially boost your videos, or sharing inappropriate content, or harassing other users in a video comments. But those aren't the only reasons TikTok locks someone out of their account. You can also be locked out of your account for entering the wrong password too many times while trying to log in. Now, how do you fix it? Now, there are a couple of ways you can fix it. It's also possible that there is a random glitch with TikTok servers that's incorrectly locking you out. Whatever the reason, what you want to do is the first step is to try resetting your password. Whether you try submitting the wrong password too many times or something with TikTok's wires got crossed, resetting your password is often the easiest way to unlock a locked account. What you can do is you can open TikTok, tap the login button at the bottom of the screen, use phone or email or username, and then tap on forgot password. Now this will display a pop-up message. If you like to reset the password with your phone number or email address, choose whichever method you prefer and then reset your password. But what if you reset your password and you are still locked out of your account? In that case, the other way is to contact TikTok support and to see if they can figure out what's going on. The best way to do this is by reporting a problem, or you can simply head into your Chrome browser, and there what you want to do is you want to search in for TikTok support at your search page. Simply search in TikTok support or TikTok submit a request here, and once you search for it, you can see TikTok help center, and under it you can see contact option, or you can see report a problem as well. You can simply head back, or you can head into report a problem here, and you can be able to report here. As you can see here, there are various options. What you can do is another issue, tap on report another issue, and there here you can see you'll get options, but you just want to go through this another. You want to simply tap on report another issue, and here login and troubleshooting and login option, and here you should be able to report your issue. So hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.